In this video, let's learn how do we divide 327 by 3 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. We know that 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that this 0 is less than 3. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent number 2 here. Look that this is the number 2. So we will remove this 0. Now again see that this 2 is less than 3, but as we have brought down this number 2 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 3 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 2. Now see that 2 is less than 3, but we have number to bring down here. So let's bring down this number 7 here. And we know that 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 327 divided by 3 is equal to 109. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.